In your next leadership meeting, someone will say AI, someone else will say machine learning, a third person will say automation. They will probably all mean different things, and nobody will ask for clarification. That confusion leads to bad decisions. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what each term means, how they relate to each other, and what question to ask when someone uses them. Think of it as a family tree. AI is the parent, the broad idea that machines can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Machine learning is the main branch. It is AI that learns from data rather than following rules written by a programmer. Deep learning is a sub-branch of machine learning. It uses layered neural networks loosely inspired by the human brain. Generative AI is the newest branch. It does not just classify or predict, it creates text, images, code, video. And automation stands alongside the family, but slightly apart. Rule-based systems that execute steps reliably but do not learn. They are related, but they are not the same thing. For decades, AI existed but stayed limited. Then, three things arrived at roughly the same time. First, massive data. The internet gave AI an almost unlimited supply of human language. Books, articles, code, scientific papers, everything people ever wrote. Second, massive compute power. GPU chips originally built for video games turned out to be perfect for training neural networks. Third, a new architecture called the transformer, introduced in a 2017 Google research paper titled Attention is All You Need. That paper is arguably the most consequential research publication of the last decade. Without all three arriving together, the breakthrough does not happen. The scale of what followed is difficult to overstate. GPT-3 launched in 2020 with 175 billion parameters. Today, the leading models are estimated in the trillions. Nvidia, the company that makes GPU chips, grew from a $300 billion company to over $3 trillion, almost entirely driven by AI demand. That scale jump is what unlocked the capability jump you are seeing now. Here is the insight that will immediately change how you show up in these conversations. The next time someone says AI in a meeting, stop and ask, which kind? Is it a rule-based automation system? Is it a machine learning model trained on your specific data? Or is it a generative AI tool that anyone can use today with no data investment? The answer changes the conversation entirely, and it changes the decision you need to make. That question alone puts you ahead of most leaders in the room.